Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Fidelity password. First, navigate to the Fidelity website and log into your account using your current credentials. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Security Center section, usually found in the upper right corner. From there, select the Change Password option to initiate the process. This straightforward method helps keep your financial information secure with minimal effort, ensuring peace of mind. Next, you will need to verify your identity. This typically involves answering security questions you previously set up or receiving a one-time security code via text or email. After successful verification, you can create your new password. Remember, it must be between 8 and 16 characters long, include at least one number, one uppercase letter, and one lowercase letter for optimal strength. When creating your new password, avoid using personal information like your birthday or sequential characters, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also crucial to use a unique password that you do not reuse for other online accounts. Finally, confirm your new password by re-entering it. Fidelity will then update your login credentials, enhancing your account's security immediately. Beyond changing your password, consider enabling multi-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. This adds a second verification step, like a code from your phone, when you log in. Regularly review your account activity for any unusual transactions and ensure your contact information is always up to date. For more details on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals, be sure to check the link in the description below. Staying vigilant is key to safeguarding your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.